Hello the internet! It is Tuesday the 13th of April 2021 and welcome back to the channel. On my channel, Gives a Minute, I've got a video that I'm still getting comments on that I uploaded in 2016. And I said I'd make a follow-up video and I never did, so here it comes. But what that video is, it's grinding teeth during sleep. You see this upload date, October 22nd, 2016. This is a 4-minute, this is when I was doing my daily vlog. Remember I was doing daily vlogs? This is one of those, actually this is an early daily vlog. I think this is like daily vlog 50 or something. Yeah, 52. So that's one of my earliest daily vlogs. That was recorded between 3:24 AM and 3:28 AM. Now, I'm still getting comments on that today. If you go down to comments, sort by newest first, 7 hours ago, 6 days ago, 6 days ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So the comments I'm getting are quite constant and they're all asking the same kind of thing. Is this dangerous? What is this? What is this grinding your teeth in your sleep thing? I do it. Should I be worried about it? People saying my sister says I do it. Should I go to a doctor, dentist? What's going on? I'm not a doctor. I'm not a dentist. I don't know. I know I've been doing it since I was a kid. I'm 45 now. I wanted to make a better recording of this, a better video, because a lot of people were saying we can't really hear it in there. Can you document it somehow better? So what I've done is, there's a little quick tech side here, but what I've done is I've got an old school camcorder, which is the same one I used in that video, but this has night shot or night vision, and that allows this thing to see in 100% darkness, which is stroke of luck. You need that while sleeping. So what I've done is I've set this up for me asleep, and I've recorded everything. Now, of course, one of these tapes only lasts 60 minutes or an hour and 20 in long play. So to get around that concept, what I've done is I've used the Firewire output here, and I've inputted that into my computer. So whatever the camcorder sees, the computer records in QuickTime, straight down the Firewire connection. So I have this up on a tripod all night from when I go to bed at 10 PM through till 7 AM. This thing is seeing me sleeping and QuickTime is recording it. Then what I've done is, because the audio on this is a little bit sketchy and some of you have said, oh, we can't really hear it. What I've done to get around that, I used my handy, my cell phone, my mobile phone, and I used an app called Sleep Talk Recorder, which records your entire sleeping session. And if you start making noises, typically for that app it's talking, but if you make any noise, it records it. So then I've married up those recordings by their timestamps to when it happened on the footage here. You can, in the editing, I could hear it on there and then I got the better audio. So what you're seeing, or what you're gonna see, is the vision from here, the audio from here, married together into a small clip, goes for 1 minute. This is what you all asked for, a better sleep talk, not sleep talk, a better sounds of teeth grinding. So let's take a little look at this here. Let's go over here, it looks like this. That's my bed cracking, by the way. Sounds gnarly. Doesn't that sound absolutely insane? Like you're hearing like gnashing of teeth, like clunking, and you're hearing this grinding. Let's hear it one more time. I want to play it. Well, it blows me away as well. Let's take one more listen to this. That's my bed cracking at that point. Just be clear. So again, it sounds gnarly. I did a bit of research into this because a lot of the questions were, you know, should I be worried if I do it? Should I go and see a doctor? The actual symptom, this is from the Mayo Clinic, it's called bruxism. Bruxism, the overview here. It's a condition in which you grind, gnash, or clench your teeth. You definitely heard some gnashing in there. If you have bruxism, you may be unconsciously clenching your teeth while you're awake. That's awake bruxism, or you may be doing it while you're asleep. Sleep bruxism. Sleep bruxism is considered a sleep-related movement disorder. A movement disorder. People who clench or grind their teeth, and that's actually called brux. Sounds cool, doesn't it? It's like a band. It's a cool band name. I'm in a band called Brux. If you do this during your sleep, you're more likely to have other sleep disorders, such as snoring and pauses in breathing, which is called sleep apnea. Now, I don't actually have any of those problems. I don't sleep very well, but that's because I'm up slashing 2 or 3 times a night. If I'm drinking beers, I'll be slashing 5 or 6 times a night, but that's not related to gnashing of your teeth, I don't think. Mild bruxism may not require treatment. However, in some people, bruxism can be frequent and severe enough to lead to jaw disorders. I don't have any of those problems. Headaches, damaged teeth, and other problems. Because you may have sleep bruxism and be unaware of it until the complications develop, it is important to know the signs and symptoms and seek regular dental care. So here's what I want to say is, at this point, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dentist, but you did ask me in the chat, and it took me how many years to reply? You wanted a better video, there it is. Like I said, I'm 45. I've been doing this since I was a kid. I don't think it's a huge concern for me. Your situation may differ. Go and get checked. By the way, a little side note. That app I mentioned, Sleep Talk Recorder, that records me talking in my sleep. I'm a big sleep talker. I have conversations with inanimate objects during my sleep, and it all gets recorded here. I don't know if you're interested, but if you are interested in hearing them, let me know in the comments, and maybe we'll get together once a week and put some sleep talks up, and I'll play them for you, because it's a bit of a giggle. It's definitely a bit of a giggle. I could do that if you wanted to. I don't know if you want to, but there it is, folks. My video from 2016. This is the tie-in to that from many years later. Thank you for all your comments, and like I said, if you do have this issue, go and get checked out. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to share it out with your friends. Like, share, and subscribe. The sharing is the main thing, right? Getting this out onto other platforms definitely helps. If you use Odyssey, if you use Cos TV, if you use Gaze TV, share this out on all those platforms. Maybe you've got a BitClout. Maybe you've got a BitClout social media. Pump it there. Maybe you've got a Twitter. Go there. Facebook. Just get this video out as far and wide as possibly as you can. That'd be very, very helpful. And I'll see you all on the next upload.